In this video, I am going to show you how to change the font in League of Legends to Korean. First, make sure you have the Korean font files ready. You can obtain these from a trusted source or extract them from a Korean version of the game if you have access. Next, navigate to your League of Legends installation directory. This is typically located in your Riot Games folder within your program files. Open the folder for League of Legends and then go to RADS greater than projects, greater than LOL game client, greater than data, greater than fonts. Before making any changes, back up the existing font files by copying them to a different folder. This way, you can restore them if needed. Now, replace the original font files with the Korean font files you obtained earlier. Make sure to name the new font files the same as the original ones to ensure they are recognized by the game. Once you've replaced the fonts, close the folder and launch League of Legends. The game should now display text in Korean. If you want to revert to the original font later, simply replace the Korean font files with the backed up originals. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.